Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. During the holidays, we always go an extra mile to make everything look prettier. When it comes to decorating a charcuterie board, desserts, or drinks, there's nothing better than making sugared herbs and fruits. It's so festive, plus very easy to make. So let's get cooking. We'll go ahead by making a simple syrup, which I am not showing you because there's a full episode on it. And to view it, click on the top right corner of your screen. Contrary to what many think, it doesn't need to be brought to a simmer. As long as the sugar is dissolved, that's what counts. Alright, so we'll remove from the heat and let it cool to room temperature before dipping in our chosen herbs or fruits. On the website, I give a list of the best ones to use for this application, so check it out. For great results, we'll make sure that whatever we use is very well coated with the simple syrup. We want them very sticky when they dry out, so flip them with tongs if you have to. Then we'll transfer the coated herbs and fruits in a single layer to a baking sheet lined with a wire rack. We'll allow them to dry, although they won't be totally dry, but instead very sticky. This can take a good hour. 60 minutes later, we'll put the granulated sugar in a shallow dish and, working with one at a time, we'll dip it in sugar, making sure it's very well coated on all sides, and then put it back on a wire rack to dry out for another hour before using them. As you saw in this video, this uncomplicated garnish will enhance your table setting, baked goods, or even your cocktails. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day. And for more info, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!